Hey guys, it's me again with another Amazon tutorial, and this time we are utilizing Prime Video. This is an online video or movie streaming platform like Netflix. Prime Video is like just like Netflix, where you can stream online movies, televisions, and many more. As you can see now, we are in your homepage. And for this video, I will teach you how to add new multiple Amazon Prime Video profiles. So here, once you are in your homepage, you will just go to the top right corner and find the profile and press Manage Profiles. After managing profiles, you can just easily edit your profile and add a new one here, whether it's an adult or a kid, and just press continue. Then just put the name of the profile that you're going to add, and you can also change the picture here. So let's say picture of dog user 24. So that's how you add multiple profiles to your Prime Video account. And I hope that you enjoyed watching, and off to the next tutorial.